World of Reading, Minnie's Summer Vacation. Minnie is happy. It is summer. What do Minnie's friends want to do? Mickey wants to swim. Goofy wants to fish. Daisy wants to swing. Pluto wants to dig. Donald wants to hike. Minnie wants to take pictures. Where can they do these things? Minnie knows. We will go to Star Lake. Goofy can fish. Mickey can swim. Can Daisy swing? Minnie calls Toodles. Toodles can help. Now Daisy can swing. Can Pluto dig for a bone? No. Minnie calls Toodles. Toodles bring a map. Now Pluto can dig. Donald wants to hike. Can Donald hike? Yes. Donald can hike up a hill. Pluto digs. He finds a bone. Daisy swings. Goofy fishes. Mickey swims. Minnie takes pictures. Happy summer. The end. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. And also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye.